Are you ready to uncover the secrets of financial success? In this video, we're delving into the wisdom of Benjamin Franklin, the man on the $100 bill, not just for his role in the US Declaration of Independence, but for his insights on wealth and prosperity. These are the very principles that have guided billionaires like Warren Buffett and Richard Branson. Could you be next? Welcome to Wealthway, and stick around to the end and find out. If you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, give us a quick thumbs up, and if you're not part of our community yet, hit that subscribe button. Section 1. The Path to Wealth. Over 2 centuries ago, Benjamin Franklin penned a timeless wealth manifesto, a collection of wisdom derived from his Poor Richard's Almanac. This essay, known as The Way to Wealth, has transcended time and language barriers, being translated into over 100 languages. Franklin's message is as pertinent today as it was then. The road to riches is paved not only with income, but with astute savings and strategic investments. Franklin's message underscores that mere earnings are insufficient to accumulate wealth. It's the discipline of saving and the strategic placement of your money that determine your financial destiny. While the world may have evolved significantly since his time, the fundamentals he outlined remain unwavering. This enduring principle serves as a reminder that financial success is within reach for those who master the art of saving and investing. Section 2. Pay yourself first. Successful individuals understand a fundamental financial principle: pay yourself first. Their wealth isn't solely measured by their annual income, but by the astute allocation of their earnings into savings and investments. This philosophy challenges the conventional approach to money management by underlining the importance of saving before spending. Paying yourself first means consciously earmarking a portion of your income to secure your financial future. This money can be directed into savings accounts, investment portfolios, or other wealth-building instruments. By doing so, you ensure that your hard-earned income is working diligently on your behalf. It's not just about covering your immediate expenses. It's about laying the groundwork for your financial security. Benjamin Franklin's wisdom resonates powerfully in this concept. It emphasizes the imperative of redirecting your income towards safeguarding your financial well-being. Rather than letting money slip through your fingers with unchecked spending, paying yourself first ensures that money is a tool that works for you, not just a means of meeting short-term wants and needs. In essence, paying yourself first is an intentional financial strategy that acknowledges the importance of your future financial security. It's about prioritizing your long-term financial goals over short-term gratifications. By adhering to this principle, you set the stage for financial growth and security, as the money you save and invest compounds over time, gradually building a robust financial foundation. Franklin's message underscores the wisdom of this approach, reminding us that financial success isn't solely about what you earn, but how you allocate and protect what you've earned. Section 3. Taxes on idleness, pride, and stupidity. While we often associate taxes with financial levies, Benjamin Franklin expanded the concept to include the taxes we unknowingly pay for idleness, pride, and foolishness. Laziness, he argued, makes every task more difficult, while diligence eases the way. Success, in his eyes, is linked to embracing work as a means of self-improvement and learning. Franklin's insights urge us to reconsider the value of hard work and industriousness. Rather than seeing work as a mere means to an end, he encourages us to recognize its inherent worth. The dedication to work, to persist through challenges, and to continuously strive for improvement becomes the cornerstone of success. It's a reminder that the path to wealth is paved with effort and the continuous pursuit of self-improvement. Section 4. Small expenses add up. In Section 4, we explore the idea that small expenses, seemingly insignificant, can quietly accumulate, leading to substantial financial leakage. Benjamin Franklin's wisdom serves as a cautionary note in our daily financial lives. He encourages us to be mindful of our spending habits, as even the most minor expenditures have the potential to add up. The recommendation to track expenses for a week isn't merely about budgeting. It's a call to conscious financial awareness. By understanding where our money goes, we can identify areas where we can cut back. Redirecting the money saved from these seemingly inconsequential expenses can be transformative. Over time, these funds, when placed in savings or investments, can harness the power of compound interest, gradually accumulating into a substantial sum. Section 5. Diligence and Perseverance. Benjamin Franklin's emphasis on diligence and perseverance is a cornerstone of his philosophy. He viewed diligence as the mother of luck, asserting that success isn't just about chance, it's about unwavering dedication, especially in the face of adversity and setbacks. The enduring message is that persistence makes you unstoppable. It empowers you to learn, adapt, and experiment, seeking out what works while discarding what doesn't. It's the key to shaping your own destiny and, in essence, creating your own luck. In an age where we often attribute success to fortune, Franklin's wisdom reminds us that true success is rooted in the resolve to keep moving forward, even when faced with obstacles. Section 6. The Desire for Wealth. Benjamin Franklin's wisdom places the spotlight on the desire for wealth and its role in the journey to prosperity. It's a stern reminder that the mere longing for wealth, while a starting point, won't in itself lead to financial success. The true potency lies in harnessing this desire as a driving force, a catalyst for taking proactive steps toward achieving wealth. Franklin's wisdom underscores that the pursuit of wealth isn't a passive endeavor, it's an active one. The desire for financial abundance must be the impetus that propels you into action. Your desire becomes your source of inner strength, providing the energy and determination needed to surmount obstacles along the path to prosperity. This desire isn't passive daydreaming. It's a proactive force that fuels your financial journey. In the words of Franklin, the greater the obstacle, the sweeter the victory. This implies that challenges and hurdles are not deterrents, but opportunities for growth and self-improvement. It's through conquering these difficulties that you become more resilient and your personal worth increases. The desire for wealth, when coupled with determination and unwavering perseverance, becomes a potent transformative force that propels you towards financial abundance. In essence, it's not just about achieving wealth, it's about becoming a better, more capable individual in the process. This wisdom encourages us to view the quest for wealth as a transformative journey, where the desire for financial success is a force that not only shapes our material wealth, but also our character and inner strength. It emphasizes that in the pursuit of wealth, we evolve, becoming more resilient, adaptable, and resourceful. Each challenge is not a setback, but a stepping stone on the path to success, reinforcing the idea that the journey itself is as valuable as the destination. As we conclude our journey through Benjamin Franklin's timeless wisdom, we hope you've found inspiration and valuable insights that can guide you on your path to financial success. These principles, born over 2 centuries ago, continue to shape the way we think about wealth and prosperity in our modern world. We hope these principles have provided you with a fresh perspective on achieving financial prosperity. If you've enjoyed this video and the insights it has offered, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of our community, hit that subscribe button to continue your journey towards financial success. Thank you for joining us at The Wealth Way, and we look forward to guiding you on your path to financial abundance.